We are quite used to seeing Made in Ukraine stated on the label. Thousands of Ukrainian companies export their goods to the EU. We use furniture and equipment, drink Kiev water and Lviv juices, eat sweets, consume foods, food developer, Overstar Union, drink Odessa wine, buy medicine. In Europe, you can even see Ukrainian drones flying, as well as radiation monitoring devices being used. We read Ukrainian books, study using Ukrainian learning platforms. And how many intellectuals and world geniuses there are in Ukraine. Did you know that Ukrainians were the ones who created ReFace, PetCube, Ajax, Grammarly, and are also co-founders of PayPal? Among the most prominent and world-famous IT communities, there are Intellius, SoftServe, and Alex. Ukraine generates technological projects, and Ukrainian business was firmly integrated with the EU a long time ago. From the economic perspective, Ukraine is already a member of the European Union and is a reliable partner in all relationships. Therefore, now the time has come to give the logical conclusion to these relations and accept Ukraine to the EU.